Hello, viewers. Today, in our grammar class number 1, we would be studying about part of a speech noun. Noun. Naming words are called nouns. Examples: Michael, parrot, school, I, city, henna. Here are the noun types. Number 1, common nouns. Number 2, proper nouns. Number 3, material nouns. Number 4, collective nouns. Number 4, abstract nouns. Number 6, concrete nouns. Number 7, possessive nouns. Common nouns. Generic name of a person, place or things. Examples: boy, girl, college, country, city, doctor, teacher. Proper nouns. Specific name of a person, place or things. Examples: Bilal, Hania, SAL, Pakistan, Karachi, Mercedes. Material nouns. Names of matter in its raw form. Don't make plurals. Examples: water, wood, plastic, gold, sugar, milk, oxygen. Collective nouns. Names of groups are called collective nouns. Examples: team, flock, audience, fleet, army, police. Possessive nouns. Names made with an apostrophe. Examples: Ahmed's car, Jam's wife, doctor's clinics, teacher's room. Abstract nouns. Nouns that show ideas, quality, or state. Examples: honesty, bravery, divorce, ability, device, confidence. Concrete nouns. Nouns with physical existence. Examples: all steady nouns are concrete nouns, living, possessive, and abstract nouns. All those nouns which we have studied earlier are concrete nouns because they all contain their physical existence, living, possessive, and abstract nouns.